A few moments later.
Hey everyone, my name is Michelle Hong. Welcome to my channel. This is my very first YouTube video that I'm putting out. So just started OT school last week actually. So I'll be talking about some reflections from that, and also I just wanted to use this channel as a way to help other pre-OTs begin their journeys with applications, any questions that they have, interview process, and everything. And also using it as a way to educate others on what OT is, occupational therapy, and advocating for it because it's not a super well-known profession, and so I think it's always beneficial to get the profession out there so that more people understand what it is and why you might need occupational therapy as opposed to physical therapy or speech therapy. A little bit about me. So I go to Dominican University of California. It's up in San Rafael, 30 minutes north of San Francisco. I actually took the non-traditional route to get here. I took a 5th year at UCSD in undergrad, and I graduated in 2015. And then from then on, I basically worked as a histotech for the last 5 years until I got here. And on the side, I was also volunteering in a hospital working with other OTs and PTs. Also, I was taking one prereq class a semester. That was all I felt I could do while working full-time, and I didn't want to jeopardize getting subpar grades just so I can start the process of applying faster. Like I said, I just started my OT program last week. So last week was the first week of classes. We received our syllabi a week in advance, so then looking at all of that actually looked really overwhelming, all the readings we had to do for every single class before a lecture. But having started the week, it didn't actually feel that bad, and for some reason I was able to actually complete the readings ahead of time, which was something I never could have done in undergrad. But maybe it's because it's actually material that's something interesting that I'm finally wanting to learn. And I actually broke down my assignments for the week. This might look really overwhelming, but it actually served as a check-off list for the to-dos. So then I'd have like these things to do for this day and these things to do for that day. So it actually helped me stay organized and figure out, okay, what do I actually need to have done? Like, what is important to have done by lecture each day? So far that's been helping me. And some pros is I actually don't feel that Zoom lecture is too bad so far. I actually feel that it's in a sense a little intimate too, because maybe it's because I have the speaker view, so then every time the professor talks it's like her big screen. So it actually feels like she's talking directly to me even though she's talking to my other 29 classmates at the same time. I don't feel like I have any issues staying engaged, but that also could be because I'm interested in the material that we're learning. We're still able to have group discussions because in Zoom you can actually break out into breakout groups. So through that I've been kind of slowly getting to know and talking to other people in my class that I haven't talked to yet. With that, I guess going into what a con would be for online learning is that I wasn't able to meet every single person in my class. Given the circumstances right now with COVID, it's probably impossible to meet with everyone at once, but we've been slowly meeting up with people, and luckily I live with 2 people in my class, so I have someone I can talk to about things that I don't understand. But yeah, I think that's all I really have to say for this first video. I just wanted to use it as an introduction so you guys can get to know me. Hopefully you guys like what you're hearing, and if you're interested in following along with my journey to being an OT, please click subscribe below. But like I said, this is my first video, and so I'm still working out the kinks of editing and figuring out how to piece together things to make it a great video that's not boring and not just of me talking to you guys. And yeah. Happy Monday. Bye guys.